Good morning everyone, this is Angelos Zittis from IronFX bringing you the morning comment for the 28th of March. North Korea pledges to denuclearize. After Kim Jong Un's visit to Beijing, the Chinese side stated that North Korea is willing to denuclearize. North Korea's state media made no comment on a possible denuclearization of the peninsula. Political analysts seem skeptical about the sudden shift in North Korea's policy, however consider it a positive step. Chinese officials seem willing to brief their South Korean counterparts. Should there be further headlines and developments about the issue, Southeast Asian markets could prove sensitive to it. USDJPY traded in a sideways manner yesterday around the 105.55 resistance line. We see the case for the pair to continue to trade in a sideways manner with some bullish tones as today's financial data releases could support the US dollar side. Should the bulls take the reins, we could see the pair breaking the 105.55 resistance line and aim for the 106.95 resistance hurdle. On the other hand, if the bears take the driver's seat, we could see the pair reaching and breaking the 104.66 support line. In Italy, the five-star movement approaches Northern League. Italy's strongest party, the five-star movement, could try to formulate a government in coalition with the right-wing Northern League. Media cited statements of the five-star movement's officials which mentioned that Northern League seems to get closer to their positions regarding a possible income support for the poor, as well as on a number of other issues. The leaders of the two parties will meet in Parliament next week and there could be further developments. A possible coalition between the two parties could prove to be a headache for Brussels as their positions contradict the mainstream political in a number of issues. Any further headlines about a possible coalition could weaken the euro. EURUSD traded in a sideways manner yesterday with some bearish tones, however remained well between the 124.95 resistance line and the 123.55 support line. We see the case for the pair to continue to trade in a sideways manner with some bearish tones as the financial data released today could favor the US dollar side. Should the pair find fresh buying orders along its path, we could see the pair breaking the 124.95 resistance line and aim for the 126.80 resistance hurdle. Should it come under selling interest, we could see it breaking the 123.55 support line. In today's other economic highlights, during today's European morning, we get Germany's GfK consumer confidence for April, and in the North American session, we get the final GDP for Q4, the pending home sales growth rate, and last but not least, this week's crude oil inventories for EIA. As for speakers, FOMC member Bostic speaks. For more information, please read the full comment on IronFX.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Angelos Zittis from IronFX, wishing you solid trading.